Hi, this is a 5-minute practice. You can do this any time of the day, but it's very good for the morning. Come along with me, and remember the weight is your friend. Let's start in child's pose. Connecting to the breath, connecting to your back, connecting to the weight. Come forward onto your elbows and lift your head up. And as you exhale, take a cat pose on the forearms. And again, inhale, lift your tail, lift your head. Exhale, push on the weight, push in. Inhale, the thumbs pull on the weight. And one more time to your exhale breath. Good, now lift the tailbone and let your head rest on the bar. Cross your ankles and breathe. Take the weight now in your left hand and thread the needle with the right arm threading through. Twist and breathe. And as you exhale, pull the belly in. Push down on the weight. Change sides. Thread the needle. Left arm threads through. Use your hand on the weight to push down and away. Breathe. Good, and change. Onto your forearms now, pushing on the bells, walking the feet back to a plank pose. Take your inhale breath with the knees to the floor. As you exhale, push through the heels, straighten the legs, squeeze. One more. Every time you inhale, you can try pulling the thumbs apart. And perhaps every time you exhale, you can press the palms into the bells. And change. Just one breath in Sphinx pose. Just to feel the extension. Rolling the weight forward. Drawing the left knee in. Turn the weight on its side. And twist the upper body. Drop that left shoulder down and breathe. Come to the other side. Change the knee. While you change, the weight opens as you twist. Come to center. Draw the weight in. Prepare for down face dog on your forearms. Tuck the toes under as you inhale. Exhale into down dog. Bring the knees to the floor. Breathe in, lift up. Again. Down face dog on the forearms. Change. Stand up on straight arms with thumbs pulling on the inside of the bells. Down face dog. Straight arms. Resistance. Use your breath. As you exhale, push the heels down and the buttocks bones up as you pull the weights apart with your thumbs. Feel the underneath parts of the arms and the backs of the shoulders. Release to child's pose, this time with the weights on top. the wrists on top of your weights, and the head down. And stay and breathe. Good, and roll up to hero's pose, drawing the hands to the heart and closing with a bow.